Going up on his was today video is going to be different clips from TOLUX, and that's from Twins of Twins. And then we have SHARON BURKE speaking, and we also have DJ KHALID from the hold. We're still on the Beanie Man versus Bounce Killer versus, but it was extremely good, so it can't stop talk about.
One who say what going on last night. Respect Bounty Killer, respect Beanie Man. When you create history is an understatement. I'm glad saying to remind them. I'm glad to remind them what a real dancehall is. And hopefully some of the younger generation can take notes. And this is not bashing the younger generation. But I'm going to try to change the formula. And that's how it works. If you got a KFC and I'm going to try to get tasty, you buy that. You got a tasty for tasty. You're not going to buy that. So what I say? And another thing, I cannot believe the blatant disrespect we go on last night. History making, but enough people not say the disrespect, you know. So what them police they do? Big idiot thing, you know. Like seriously, you know. It's a prime minister. You're not concerned about the number one earner for Jamaica, which is tourism. You're not concerned. Reggae and dancehall make tourism work. And none of you can deny that. Stop doing so now, man. Give some consideration and some respect. Put some respect on dancehall and reggae name. Put some respect on them name. A joke thing. Yeah, me know you have the rule them set up and everything, but last night Bounty Killer and Beanie Man became essential workers. We are perform for all who they home. That's them can stay at them yard. You wouldn't consider them as essential workers last night. Put some consideration on them some here. It not look good. When me see the police them, me see Beanie Man address the police, I couldn't believe it. Me think it is a prank. I used to want squad run out now and start DJ or something. I couldn't believe say it real. Then I see one other post with JCF. I ask them if them exempt from the law. Every time enough pressure get to you to know, they suddenly know how to do the law. Law does work when it comes to get to youth and our craft. But when high society do the thing then, brother, only just know where now do, you can't find nobody, you can't investigate, you can't do nothing. Leave dancehall alone, man. It is annoying, you know, fight dancehall treat. Hey, dancehall help all people finna turn criminal in a sir. And moms. Leave that something alone, man. Make everybody alright. And this is not an attack against police or anything. This is to say that a joke thing that. And as a man, I have my right to say that. Don't do that something, man. I don't want to live in peace, man. My God.
What happened during that little controversial bit when the police came that everybody's talking about? Because the event did start at 7 and it lasted beyond 8 o'clock, which is the end of the start of curfew hours.
Well, nobody can tell if we slept there. We were in a studio. But the police, they were just passing to check on us. And when they came in, I think everybody misunderstood the moment. So, but guess what? It was a part of everything. That's our culture with the police turning up. So it went well for...
Was an attempt made to lock off the event?
No. I must congratulate the Jamaica Constabulary Force. No, never. I think they were just checking on us.
So what brought them there? Was there a complaint of noise or something?
No, there wasn't any complaint of noise at all. I think what happened, you know, when these things happen, my friend called and said, pass by, we're doing this. Everybody, we all have friends that are police. And so I think that's what happened. And when they opened the door, everybody panicked. So, you know, they said, why would police want to come and lock off the dance? So I don't think it was anything like that. No. We must pick them up because they checked on us after.
Okay.
A country and an island, you know what I'm saying, that they represent the flag.
Yeah, that's true.
You know, we ain't gonna get too deep. I'm just saying, like, It's a beautiful, positive thing.
No, but you say help from all of you can work in a Khalid. From
I mean,
all of you.
we need Buju, we need Bounty, we need everybody to be able to go to the States. Everybody that don't have their, first of all, I don't know how it got took it away. I don't understand, but whatever, just get them back. You know what I mean? Because we missed them in Miami, we missed them in New York. You know, these people want to see them and embrace them and show them love because, you know, the music is played every day. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but last night for Jamaica, we won. The culture won, dancehall won.
Listen, y'all won, and not even just that. We thank you.
Eh.
We thank you.